at her bitch ass.
Cookies.
What the hell?
Ooh, that's crazy. It's covered. Speaking of the devil, hi. Always.
She really was.
Devin, I've already started to record, so.
Oh, okay, cool. So I'm just gonna
Be cool, be conscious.
Be cool.
I liked it better over there.
Over there? But I feel like we can't like see us or hear us. Like she.
You can see us over there.
It's a little like any like. I remember you doing that like when I was like young.
I forgot the other two questions.
I don't know.
My legs burn now.
Favorite
Snack?
candy?
Yeah,
Favorite, like
candy.
chips?
And things you hate. Things you hate, so they don't get that.
No, because see, if I write that, Maya's gonna get me, and it'd just be like perfect. He's only getting things that it is.
I don't have a hobby. I sleep. Give me a fucking pill. Actually,
Give me those little night
blankets. Put some blankets.
What's our limit?
10 to 15.
You want anything from Chick-fil-A?
Oh yes.
Chick-fil-A. Yeah.
Say hi, Leslie. She is cute.
Can I just get a large fry with Chick-fil-A sauce, please?
Wait, who are you going with?
Ashley.
Whoa, are you sure? Because we went over there and everyone was over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, someone snitched their payment, so like all the managers were over there asking for receipts and like make sure people were paying for things.
Well, wait. Let's see. There's a golf cart. Let's see if that's like a big. Who is that?
Now I forgot about that.
Maybe we should ask him. Or like
Okay,
if
maybe
she
she'll-
like flags him down. Hey. She's.
She said, Kurt, get your ass in here. I know, for real.
I don't know. What's the third question?
Hey, that's a good idea.
What? What? Devin sounds a little dramatic.
No vegetables, just a sandwich.
Who says no things?
Me? What we do some work.
Wait, do you guys mind if I go though?
Yeah, you can go.
Where's my? I'm stupid. I was gonna say where's my phone, but I'm holding my phone.
Yes, and he has a fucking master's degree.
He got his bachelor's in psychology and then he got his master's at U.
I like your outfit.
People be fucking playing. Marina, we really don't have any like pictures together.
We really don't know anything about it.
But that tweet, that made me feel better. Like the one where it says like
Is it smoky? Oh, sorry, it was just the thing. But what?
the tweet where it's like the look at my ear. If I like tuck it in.
I hate. Yeah, I don't know what to do sometimes because sometimes like it'll be so low. They'll be like.
But my shit like sticks out.
Have you seen that video of like they taped the little boy's ears?
Aww.
Did you see it? It was like in Spanish, and they were like, "Look, like regular," and then they put like tape right here, and they went. Were you talking about the tweet where it was like?
Oh yeah, the one where it's like the more picture like.
Oh, that's so sad, dude. That's so true. Cause I think about like people that were all over my Instagram, and I'm not cool with them now, or like I don't, which is really sad, but whatever.
Whatever. Fuck 'em.
Hey, what did I do? What's on my Oh, I don't want to go back. I feel bad because I'm sorry, Noelle, I didn't get your food.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
They don't look bad. You're fine.
I'm gonna. That was better though.
Who wants to take over dish?
Nah, I'm working on it.
No.
Because I'm kind of tired.
To go take it to them. Free food. Okay, I'm gonna go take this stuff.
Alright.
I feel
I'm
bad.
gonna go bother you in a little bit.
Okay,
Because
cool.
I don't really want to work.
You right. Just do it. Go ahead. Go for it. Does that,
You're supposed to be mean back, and what are you doing?
Yeah. We're trying to like get you
being
ready for the
submissive.
next.
You have to be.
We're preparing you for Mean Girls.
You have to be quick with the comebacks. And you're just,
Look at the
Are we
fork. The
good?
fork's in the way.
Ready?
Okay.
Ready? Okay. Now try again. Don't pull yourself.
it's not me.
Okay.
Who's next? Devin or me?
Oh. Oh wait.
You. Me. Yeah. Okay.
Sure.
I'll go last. No, it's Devin. It's Devin's 20 years.
Oh yeah.
You can't pull for yourself.
And then.
Take
Make sure it's not you though.
I don't think it's me because the head is exactly. No, it's not me.
But you're supposed to pick before she picks. This. Walmart, my hand's already in. Wait, I got myself.
Oh, well,
Wait,
then you
I haven't looked. No. So we're gonna start with you.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Is it yourself?
Ah, shit. Wait,
Did you get yourself?
No.
God, this is so hard.
We should like
Okay,
add
let's do it.
someone else.
Okay, let's get somebody else, and then we'll like each go away and one at a time do it. And as long as we don't pull ourselves, then we're good.
Yeah,
Remember, like, go get it.
That's me.
Yeah.
Can we just look at David? I think.
You just call me David? Wow. Okay, cool. You're canceled.
That's a good comeback.
Thank you. Wow. I've been learning.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you, next. Wow, crazy. I watched that video too.
Look what happens when you hang out with us.
Dude, the way, like, no, yesterday, Devin, like, that was like a conversation started. He's like, so I saw the new Ariana Grande, thank you, next.
Yeah.
Well, because I knew you guys would appreciate that.
Yeah, we did.
'Cause I don't
We
listen
did.
To, like, I don't listen to music like that. But I keep doing so much shit.
So sad.
Alright.
Leslie, come here so you can get in the video.
Oh, are we all leaving? And then picking up.
Next. Next.
I want to go next. Sorry, Sykes.
Paper, rock, scissors for it.
Are you freaking?
Wait, what?
Paper, rock, scissors.
Ladies first.
Paper, rock,
No.
scissors. No.
Ladies first.
Oh, you want rock, paper, scissors? It's rock, paper, scissors.
Sorry, I grabbed it.
Paper, rock.
She can say however she wants.
Yeah, Maya. Asshole.
Yeah, I'm unappreciative of our time.
I don't know why I ran over here. Oh, sorry. I guess
Are we all good?
Yeah.
You know your song.
Okay, whenever
I did, but I'm okay with it.
Ooh.
I'm just kidding.
How?
So whenever you got up, you make
Just kidding, everyone.
stood up.
Who'd you get?
Make sure like I was looking at him.
You
I was like, yeah, I'm waiting. And he like,
Who'd you get?
let me in. And he
No,
like,
I'm telling
I'll
anyone
send you
who I
I'll send you my
got.
guy.
So I started crying.
yeah, so I started crying.
The first time and just eliminate.
Come with me.
You have me, don't you? That's why she's talking to me so much. She just gave it away. It's in the amount of eye contact.
So should we just
she
tell everybody who we have then, since we're just fucking horrible people?
gives. Hey, you know, a similar thing kind of happened to me yesterday.
What happened to your room? Took my shirt off?
No, I walked out of the bathroom and just a towel after my shower, and the maintenance guy was standing right there, and he said, "Hey, there's a leak in the floor." And I'm like, oh, "Okay, let me go put clothes on." Yeah, so that's the closest I've ever been to being in a porno. So, I mean,
You're
I
not
was-
getting none of this.
I was.
Right there.
Oh no.
You want it hot or ice? Just get caramel for there.
very afraid now to make.
This is the best barista we've ever had. Why don't they say barista?
Barista bro is what I like to call myself. Wow.
Hey, Jalen. Yeah, do it. And pose. And different pose. Okay, and different pose. Too long? You're taking too long? He proposed! And different pose. And she said no.
Oh, wow.
What are you doing?
Stirring some rice.
This is how you stir it?
No, I'm just fucking around.
Break it up a little bit, you know, gang shit.
Gang shit.
I was telling her, I was like, he's my best friend. I don't care if he knows it or not. Like, I was like, that makes you sound fucking crazy. Like when I say,
He doesn't know my name, but
yeah.
really when I said that he invited me, I knew he was going and I stalked him.
Yeah, I was like, you're gonna fucking take me or what? Honestly, the fact that he called my phone 3 times, like, I have it on Do Not Disturb. You only need to call it twice, baby. You know, like,
Oh, I'm happy you had a good time.
it's a good distraction.
It is. It's a good end of the semester feeling.
Yeah.
Look it. Sorry. Yeah.
You got me, didn't you?
Dude, no, he didn't get that stupid ass joke.
Did you
Yeah, I
get it?
didn't get that stupid ass joke. He says your name's Noelle, and I said yeah.
It was stupid.
And you laughed, so therefore my joke
I laughed
landed.
really hard.
You kind of did.
Kinda like
Thank you.
I chuckled and
The
you were
camera
like,
didn't catch it, so it didn't happen.
we're gonna check it later. So
Yeah, check the feed.
I love.
Okay, I
He
like.
goes through so
like,
much.
dude, him and Oliver are great, but now he's like he sleeps with that weird hairy dude. They both slept with that guy. Yeah, crazy, right? And then he's just and then Oliver.
Are you guys still open? No, I don't know. I want to see Maya's face.
Coworkers.
What are you doing, Maya? You gonna flood the whole place?
I want to. I'm just sick of this place. I'm home. Letting this run forever.
Yeah, I'm already dipping out of here. I don't know what you guys do.